In this video, I am going to teach you how to create a Google form using AI for faster and smarter form building. This method can save you a lot of time compared to manually creating every question. Make sure you are signed into your Google account before starting. Let's get started. First, go to Google Forms and click Create Blank Form. This will open a new empty form ready for customization. Next, click the three dots in the top right corner. This is where you can find additional settings and features. Then, choose Get Add-ons from the options. A pop-up window will appear with different tools you can add to Google Forms. Now in the search bar, type AI. This will show all AI-related tools available for Google Forms. From the results, choose AI Form Builder. This tool will help you create forms using text prompts. Next, click Install and wait for it to finish. You may need to grant permissions for it to work. Once installed, it will automatically appear on your screen. Click its icon at the bottom right corner. This will open the AI Form Builder menu. Then choose Text to Form in the options. This mode allows you to create a form just by describing it. Now, type what you want the AI to create. For this video, I will write, I want to generate a quiz. You can be specific about the number and type of questions too. Lastly, click Build Form and it will automatically generate your quiz. You can now edit or send it to your audience. And that's how you create a Google form using AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick tech tips. See you next time!